Hey beauties! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm spilling the tea on one beauty product that's a total lifesaver, Vaseline. This humble jar is a must-have for every girl's lifestyle. I've got amazing hacks that will elevate your beauty routine and make your life so much easier. Let's jump right in. 1. Keep your lashes moisturized and encourage natural growth by applying a light coat of Vaseline at night. Over time, your lashes will look fuller and healthier. 2. Dab a little Vaseline on your cheekbones after makeup or bare skin for an effortless dewy glow. It works just like a highlighter and gives your face a natural, radiant finish. 3. Mix Vaseline with sugar to create a quick and effective lip scrub that exfoliates away dead skin while leaving your lips soft and hydrated. 4. Say goodbye to dry, ragged cuticles. Massage a bit of Vaseline into your nail beds to soften and nourish them before your manicure. 5. Take an eyelash curler, apply a small amount of Vaseline to it, and gently curl your lashes, avoiding getting too close to the lash line. This hack conditions your lashes, promotes healthy growth, and adds a subtle, natural shine for a soft makeup look. 6. Vaseline easily removes waterproof makeup. Just massage it on and wipe with a cotton pad for clean, soft skin. 7. Apply Vaseline to finger hairs before shaving to create a smooth surface, reduce friction, and prevent enlarged pores, leaving your skin soft and irritation-free. 8. Mix Vaseline with your favorite perfume and apply it to your neck and wrists for a long-lasting, intensified fragrance that lingers all day. 9. Create your own DIY lip gloss by simply mixing Vaseline with a bit of pink eyeshadow. Blend it thoroughly for a smooth, tinted finish and enjoy your custom-made beauty product. 10. Create a nourishing body scrub by mixing sugar with Vaseline. Gently massage it onto dry, rough areas, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe it away to reveal soft, smooth skin. 11. To remove blackheads and whiteheads, apply Vaseline to your nose and chin. Cover these areas with plastic wrap and place a warm cloth over it for 5 minutes to soften the pores. Remove the plastic wrap and gently use the loop end of a clean bobby pin to extract the blackheads. Finish by cleaning your skin to avoid irritation. 12. Vaseline conceal an eye cream, locking in moisture and boosting its effectiveness for better hydration. 13. Take a small jar and add some Vaseline to it. Use a hairdryer to soften the Vaseline, then mix in a few drops of your favorite fragrance. Once combined, this blend can be applied to your wrists and neck for a long-lasting scent, helping to save your perfume. 14. If you have dead skin cells around your fingers, apply a generous layer of Vaseline as a mask. Leave it on for 10 minutes to deeply hydrate and soften the skin, then gently wipe it off to reveal smooth, soft fingers and hands. 15. Wrap a hot towel around your neck for 2 to 3 minutes to open up the pores. Next, apply Vaseline to the area and massage it in an upward direction. Then, cover the area with plastic wrap for 5 minutes. This routine can help reduce wrinkles and leave your neck feeling smooth. 16. Take a small container and add Vaseline into it. Then, cut a piece of your favorite lipstick and mix it into the Vaseline. Use a hairdryer to gently heat and blend the mixture until it's smooth. This creates a custom tinted lip balm. 17. Mix 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and a few drops of lemon juice. Blend the ingredients together and apply the mixture to dark spots. Leave it on overnight for smoother, brighter skin. 18. Vaseline can be used as an eyebrow gel to shape and set brows. Apply a small amount with a spoolie or fingertip for a glossy finish and long-lasting hold. 19. Vaseline works as a primer by creating a smooth, hydrated base for makeup, helping it apply easily and last longer with a dewy finish. 20. Vaseline easily removes waterproof mascara. Just apply it to a cotton pad and gently wipe away the mascara for clean, soft lashes. And that's a wrap. Let me know your favorite hack or share your own in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.